Okay, so we are done cooking here. Yep. Let me show you. That is the finished product there. That looks really good, right? That looks so good. Let me show you. That is that pot of rice. That is the cube steak. And that is the string beans. Look at that. And it tastes good. Not just because I made it. I'm telling you. It is really, really good. And it's nice and tender. This one I'm not going to taste because this plate is for the hubby. He said just give him a little bit. Okay, so that's for the hubby. Okay, now you've seen it. You know how to do it. I'm going to upload this on In the Kitchen with Cindy on my Facebook page as well, okay? It is now uploaded on YouTube. All right.